Tonight, the major threat to homes may be gone, but investigators are working around the clock to figure out how this fire started in the first place, even offering a reward to find a possible arsonist.
ABC Action News reporter Karamashik is at Island Lakes Estates and shows us just how close this became to becoming a major disaster.
Hundreds of acres here are now left completely scorched. You can see the damage on trees like this one right here. But if you take a couple steps away, you can see that homes nearby are left completely unscathed. A miracle for sure, and has so many families here counting their blessings tonight.
You can go down the block and see black, 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 and then the green spot.
Charles Davison's amazed to see a black forest surrounding his home, but his family safe and his home still standing.
There was a possibility that it wasn't going to get here in time, but they did, and they, as I say, it's amazing what they can do.
Davison says when the fire first started burning, he grabbed a garden hose wanting to do something to help stop the spread, but he quickly realized nothing he could do would help.
You just see that stuff roar up the pine tree. It's time to go away.
He and all 800 homeowners here forced to evacuate as fire threatened to level their properties. Many spending hours waiting outside their neighborhood gate, nervously wondering what they'd eventually come home to.
Did not honestly think it was going to be here the way it was coming.
Saturday afternoon, relief as residents returned home. The side of Andrew Swicegood's home has minor damage, a shed in the backyard gone.
Like 10 years worth of my father's genealogy research.
Oh no.
In here.
A neighborhood industrial shed, now a pile of mangled metal. But everyone in this community thankful to be alive, and then not a single house was lost.
While you're safe, it's just the thought of replacing every single thing you ever owned. It's kind of mind-boggling.
The Florida Forest Service and its partners will continue to keep watch on the pop-up flames and smoky spots, and everyone here looking for a little help from above. The fire is considered suspicious, so the state's had several investigators out on foot seeing if they can pinpoint the exact location of where this started and how. If you have any information that can help crack the case, you're encouraged to give them a call. There's a $5,000 reward for information leading to an arrest. Reporting in Polk County, Karamashik, ABC Action News.